got my water.
Hello talking that nigga that snitch. I ain't been up on the block in a minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it is a school night, and tonight is the night I'm just like, it's overdue for a YouTube video. I already know. I realized like, oh, y'all want to be honest. So yeah, but tonight I'm going to give you guys a hair tutorial, even though I had no idea what the hell I was doing, but okay, because I just feel like when it's needed. So today I had my hair out, but with this on the side, and I liked it, but I don't like side part hairstyles for real, unless it's like braids. Like, okay, with braids I like side parts, but when it's my natural hair I don't like side parts. It's weird. So when I wore a side part today, I did not like it, but I was not about to. Tomorrow's Thursday, I don't have school on Friday, so I was like, no. So I want to show y'all this easy, it's a rubber band hairstyle of course, but I want to show y'all like this easy hairstyle. Straight cap. So of course you're gonna need rubber bands. Y'all just saw me looking around for them, but you're gonna need rubber bands. Come on. You're gonna need some sort of hair oil. You're gonna need water and some edge control. I'm using the She Is Bomb. Can y'all see it? Hold on. I'm using the She Is Bomb edge control. Best edge control ever. But y'all, if y'all see that my edges aren't laying, it is time for me to wash my hair. So this has nothing to stick to on my head, so it's not going to stay. But we are going to try. So first, what I want to do, I'm looking, and I need something to part my hair with. I constantly break rat tail combs, so I always have to use this. And we're gonna start our first triangle. So, and y'all don't have to be like this. Basically, I just parted it like I was doing a bang on my head. If this makes sense, I could do a better in-depth video on this, but we're just gonna work with what we got, you know. And I'm just gonna use one of these rubber bands to move this to the side. Okay, so we have this right here, as you can see, and now I'm just going to wet the roots. I don't always only wet the roots, but I like to get my roots nice and wet. Now my brush already has edge control on it, so I'm just like brush it up, you know. And then a lot of times I could just brush my hair with just water anyway, so yeah. But I'm just going to take the first rubber band and we are going to band it up. Oh, I'm hurting already, and I ain't even like get to like the hard part yet. Oh my Jesus. If you do not agree that hair is not a sport, I mean that doing hair is a sport, then I don't know what's wrong with you. Cause I swear it is a whole sport. Alright. So now we're gonna take the next hairband and I'm going to. So now we have that right there. Looks cute, right? Yeah, I know, but it's not done. I really want to. Yeah. Gonna do a cross one right here. Y'all do not understand how bad my arm hurt, but I'm not about to stop doing this just because my arm hurt. I never have, and I never will. Who's stopping where? Me? Nah. Alright. Now we're going to part our next section. This is why I call it broken glass, because you see this, like, it's about to be this random triangle. Well, not even a triangle, it's 4 sides to this. Guys, I can't count my sides. I totally just failed in math. Yeah, Yeah, then I have no idea where this is going either. Like, I love it. I just freaking love it. Broken glass ponytail. Y'all, it's been like 15 minutes and I just cannot. Guys, my phone stopped recording. I didn't realize that it did. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is what I got so far. It looked a little retarded to me though, like on the low, but we just gonna keep going. You know why? Because I'm doing great, I think. I hope. I'm out of breath for some strange reason. It's not cute. Alright, so we're gonna connect both of them right here. This is when I say the two shall meet. Okay, I probably should not have done that. Yeah, I just know. I shouldn't know. Here you go. Here, no, yeah, there you go. Alright. So, my phone is like very, I think it's time for me to get a new phone, like off No Funnies. But like my phone is like very special. So I just took Twitter and what's the other app called? Oh, Snapchat off my phone. Because I get on Twitter like once every full moon. Like, I do not get on it unless my friend sends me something. And Snapchat, only reason I had it was because when I first got it, I had like very bad skin, and I noticed like everybody that has Snapchat, their skin will look like super perfect, and I was like, oh, I want my skin to look like that. So I downloaded Snapchat, but now my skin looks very fine to me, so I don't think I need it anymore, and I don't see the purpose in it anymore due to the fact that now every app wants to have filters and stuff. So it's just like, it's pointless to me at this point. Like, yeah, Snapchat has not had an update in a minute, or at least I can't tell. And then like, yeah, I don't know. Like, after, I remember their little update thing. Remember when they first had the little update? I can't even explain the update no more, but the older one that they had, bruh, that one was like, that one was the best. And then they got this little wonky update, and now nobody gets on Snapchat no more. Alright, so now we had the rubber band thing situated. I'm done. I don't want to do no more. I'm done. So now we have that situated. So now I'm going to actually braid or twist this down, as a matter of fact. I'm going to twist this down. So we have that twisted down, and now we're going to go to the ponytail. So now this is simple ponytail, you know. I'll show you. So I'm wetting the perimeter of my hair. And because I don't care about my hair for real tomorrow, I'm going to take a brush, right? I'm going to brush it up, you know. Try and get it all nice and slick if I can. I mean, I'm not going to be able to get it like fully slick, but some sort of slick is going to be done, right? Take a ponytail holder. I'm going to just gather it on up. Then we're just going to put a ponytail holder on it, you know. See? And then that's literally it. Now I'm probably going to do like this tomorrow. So it's going to look kind of like a bun puff, what I call it. So you can be able to see the rubber bands, but I ain't going to do like too much to it. I might even, ooh, that look cute, don't it? I'm not rebraiding this tomorrow. Well, I might put it in like one giant braid, but yeah, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But for right now, we just gonna put this into a little bun because I gotta get this situated. So now with this, we're gonna take it out, right? We'll take it out. We're gonna wet it a little bit. I don't know why you making faces, bro. Like, that's so uncalled for. So now we're gonna brush it, right? And then we're gonna take some bobby pins. We're gonna start pinning that hole. And now I'm gonna move on to edges. If you want to watch me do my edges, you can. If not, then just skip past this part. But I'm gonna give like a little edge tutorial. So y'all, with edges, it's really just hand and finger coordination. So you see I have the brush right here. I go down, hold with my finger, and I go back. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all on this side since it's a little bad over here. So I apply a little bit. I kind of brush it down a little bit. Brush down, grab, and then go back. Simple shit, you know what I mean? Can't nobody do like me. Alright, so now with this, I don't like the way my hair does me on this side, so I'm not even gonna give you a tutorial on how to lay a widow's peak, but that's what I'm finna have for tomorrow. So we just gonna do this side like mine. Oop, wrong thing. Get some water. Yeah, I was burnt one day, but not burnt as in burnt, but like I was just like a tired burnt, right? So while I was trying to do my edges, with the back of the edge brush like this, I mean, it was working, but like, dang. And I was recording a whole YouTube video. Like, I was talking at everything, bruh. It was crazy. Alright, so now we have edges for that. So now I'm going to take this down. I'm going to show y'all the full hairstyle or whatever. So now, I'm going to take a comb. If you have a pick, I have a pick too, but I don't feel like getting it. So we're just going to use this comb. We're just going to pick it on out. Just going to tighten whatever part I feel like needs to be tightened. And then there you go. This is what you have. Now I feel like I could do a little bit more of edges, you know. These are really my baby hairs sticking out. So I'm just gonna like lay those to my best ability. But this is what I got. This is what I got, you guys. Hope you guys like it, cause I sure don't. But it's something, and like I said, tomorrow's Thursday. I honestly do not care about tomorrow. So like, yeah. I mean, like, I think it's cute, but it ain't like, oh my god. I don't know. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what videos you guys want me to do next. Follow me on all my social medias, and if you have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to ask. I'm a very nice person. My phone is dry, so if I don't reply to a text in like, give me about 2-3 hours, but like 10 hours at the latest, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah. See you guys in my next video.